What's going on, YouTube? Luke here with Clean Automotive Detailing, and beside me here is our 2009 Honda Fit Sport. That means it's fast. This car has been my little workhorse for the last 8 years, and the engine bay of this car has been neglected for 8 years. So instead of just doing a quick engine detail, I wanted to do something different. I see a lot of YouTubers do playlists where they'll have one project that they work on and that's kind of the playlist, and they do it over a couple weeks or days or whatever. So I thought that's what we would do. So over the course of the next couple weeks, we are essentially going to restore the engine compartment. There are a couple maintenance things that I need to take care of anyways, so I figured why not. To be completely honest, I'm not super mechanically inclined, but I do know the basics and I can kind of work my way around an engine. So I'm not going to be dismantling any components or anything like that, but we are going to be doing some serious deep cleaning and a little bit of minor restoration. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and we are going to get the Honda engine bay restoration project started. All right, here we are. This is what we are working with. Everybody get your comments out now. I know that this is disgusting. I'm embarrassed by it. You don't have to let me know, but I'm sure you will. And that's fine. I probably deserve it anyways. So most of it is obviously just, it needs a cleaning. It needs a really good deep clean. Battery terminals, bad. Air filter, bad. Missing. Jerry-rigged, overspray. Get in there. Oh my God, you stupid thing. Okay, so today we're gonna be focusing on this cowl. All we're gonna do is disassemble it, sand it, and spray it. I'm gonna get the camera a little bit closer, and we're gonna get this sucker out of here. The adventure begins. So we got under the cowl kind of cleaned up a little bit, and these are the only 3 pieces that came out from up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these sanded. I'm gonna get this weather stripping off and sand. We'll go ahead and paint, and should be quick. gotta tell you, that turned out better than I anticipated it to. So that's gonna be a win. Here we are. There were a couple sections that I missed over here that, to be completely honest, I did not think would show, and I was wrong. So probably gonna have to do that again at some point, but for now it is much better. So happy with that. I got a hair in it. That's going to wrap up this episode of the Honda Fit engine compartment restoration project. Let me know if you guys like the idea of this, and please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at lukeelston@me.com. I think this is going to be fun. You know, I've had this car for a long time, and I mean, look at it. It's a great little car. It just needs some love. That is it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in a couple days.